Getting for a Christmas and it just is what I do. Getting for Christmas, everybody, yes, it's true. Yes, I'm getting drunk and you know this what I do. Yes, we getting up and it, yes, it's what I do. Yes, we need forever walking, getting drunk now. Yes, we over here to having fun, we getting down. Turning all around and now the people getting up. Yes, we over here to for the Christmas spreading joy. Now I see the blue crew getting drunk for Christmas. I'm over here to say I know I'm missing Christmas. People talking about it saying, oh yes, I like that Christmas. People's over here to say you want to get your wish in. Yes, we getting drunk and we getting drunk for Christmas. People talking about that saying we having fun for Christmas. Now I'm over here, I'm doing this, I'm for that Christmas. People talking about it, but the people cannot miss this. Yes, I'm getting drunk. Now I say I'm getting up. All the people's over here, then now I'm about to cut it up. Getting drunk every day, then now I'm about to spread that joy. Now the joy is over here, then and you want to get some more. Then I'm getting drunk for Christmas. What I say, I'm getting drunk for Christmas. I'm on this. I'm getting drunk for Christmas. This what I do. I'm getting drunk for Christmas. So what you do? So now that we getting drunk and on a Christmas joy. The people's over there that say I wanna see them toys. Them toys is over there that coulda be a house or car. Some other coulda be the toys that up on that bar. Some people wanna get the drink, some people wanna dance. Some people's over there, the other people holding hands. But still they getting drunk and I say I want to dance. So let's get to dance floor, then we gonna dance. And they getting drunk for Christmas. We getting up, we getting drunk for Christmas. We getting up, we getting drunk for Christmas. We getting up, we getting drunk for Christmas. I love the love, so now that you saying it, that you really love the love. Some people talking about it, now we giving virtual hug. I'm doing it for you because I wanna see you smile. Some people's over here, they end it, yes, I like your style. I say you doing this and I say you doing that. Some people's over there, some people want to write a check. Some people's in the back and say, I see you over there, but still I'm over there, I got my hands up in the air. I see you getting drunk, oh yes, we getting up. Some people getting down and you know we going to bump the bumper in the trunk while the wheels still spin. Some people's over here, do you want to come in? Say we getting drunk for Christmas. Yes, I say, we getting drunk for Christmas. Or what I say, we getting drunk for Christmas. So what we say, we getting drunk for Christmas. This what I say. So Queen Academy say you getting drunk for Christmas. Kendall Wilkinson getting drunk just for Christmas. Destiny Forever Walking getting for that Christmas. PhD, now she getting on that Christmas. I see the people getting drunk on that Christmas. People's over there trying to go and get their wish in. Getting drunk and now you getting on. People talking about the Santa, yes I'm in a zone. We getting drunk for Christmas, now the Christmas just for me. Some other people's over here saying, Jason, what you see? I see that everybody's over here there next to me. They're spreading all the Jordan and the Jordan come to me. So now we getting drunk and the drunk of what we see. Some people talking about the end, you say, well, what it be? We beings over here there and we jumping overseas. Some people's over here and now you wanna follow me. Say we getting drunk for Christmas. So what we say, we getting drunk for Christmas. Or what I say, we getting drunk for Christmas. We're doing days, we getting drunk for Christmas. Is what I say. So now that I seen the people just to getting drunk. Yes, I'm over here and I bump up in the trunk. Bump up in the trunk and the trunk is going bang. People's over here to saying, do you hear my slang? My slang is over here and my slang is over there. People telling me that I got my hands up in the air. I went from the A to the other A. People telling me, saying that man is crazy. I am the 10th letter, but I still like keep it cool. People talking about it, saying no, we not no fool. We coming over here, we get the drunk for what we do. People's over here, they saying that if you snooze, you lose. You get the drunk for Christmas. People talking miss this. I'm over here, they say I'm loving all that Christmas. Christmas over here, they say you want to get that Christmas. Get your drunk over here, we drunken on that Christmas. Aim. Say we getting drunk for Christmas. Everybody's over here for that Christmas. Talking about this thing, you know we on that Christmas. We over here to get a crunk up for that Christmas. We getting crunk for Christmas. That's not what I say. We getting crunk for Christmas. What I wanna say, I wanna say your name when it's on this Christmas cheer. People talking about this thing, I see you getting near. So now that we getting crunk every time. Yes, I'm over here spending my rhyme. Rhymes over here saying that it's about time. Yes, I'm over here saying that's my line. Blue blues over there getting crunk for Christmas. Everybody getting crunk for that Christmas. Everybody see what we getting for that Christmas. Yes, I'm over here to send a crunk up for that Christmas. Yes, I'm looking up. Yes, I'm getting up. People's over there like a rubby dub dub. Now you over there. Now you up in the tub. I see you over there. I wanna rub up. Brian be him. I see you over there. People talking about got my hands up in the air. Getting crunk for Christmas. And I say, hey, happy birthday. Throwing up in this place. And we getting crunk for Christmas. What you say? We getting crunk for Christmas. Is what I say. We getting crunk for Christmas. Or what I say. We getting crunk for Christmas. Like every day. So now that we getting crunk when we rhyme. Getting crunk saying that's my time. Time over here when I drop my line. Line over here but I know I'm not blind. Looking out all of y'all feeling so fine. Cause you looking fine. You fine in that wine. Wine over here now we gonna wanna dine. Because we getting crunk for Christmas every time. Saying, hey, that's saying we getting crunk for Christmas. Saying we getting crunk for Christmas. Saying we getting crunk for Christmas. Saying we getting crunk for Christmas.